Alright, this is the second part of my two-part video on a solar light featuring the QX5252F solar LED driver. If you remember the first video, calling this my fairy cube, and we, based on the IC driver, we also have an inductor, we have a diode, we have a couple LEDs, a battery, and a solar panel. And now we're going to encase it into the resin. So the resins I'm using today is a two-part resin. It's 1:1 by volume. I will be using a scale to do it versus volume, but it's pretty close. I've got my stirring stick, I've got my container, mixing bowl, and then some hot water. And then here's my silicone mold. It's 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and I'm going to go about 2 centimeters, maybe 2.5 centimeters, and that'll pretty much cover this whole project. So I did put a piece of plastic on the bottom to raise it off, to raise the project off the bottom, so the solar panel will also be encased in there. So first part we do is weigh out equal amounts of our two-part. Let me tear this, and based on 4 times 4 by 2.5, 3, or 35, 36 mils. So I'm going to use grams. I'm going to put about 17 grams of each one of these.
Transfer to my mixing bowl here.
Stir it well. The sample becomes slightly milky as the two parts. Now I'm going to set this in warm water. That'll help get some of the bubbles out. Okay, I'm just going to pour some in here. Okay, I finished pouring in all my resin in the silicone mold. Let's go ahead and take a top view of the project. The mold is 40 by 40 and it's about 25 millimeters high. I will let the resin sit for 24 hours before I remove it from the mold, and the project will be complete. All right, so here's the finished product. Side by side, so it's about 25 millimeters high. The LEDs do stick out still, but they're completely enclosed. There's the solar panel, and it's slightly off the bottom. There's a side view of the battery and inductor. Another side view. And there's the IC and the diode. And that's it. All I need to do is drill a small hole for the hook and add some fishing line so I can hang it up like a wind chime. Thanks for watching.